Square roots. The square root of a number n is that number which when multiplied by itself gives n as the product. We denote the square root of a number n by under root n. Clearly, square root of 36 equals to 6, square root of 49 equals to 7, square root of 64 equals to 8, square root of 81 equals to 9, etc. Square root of a perfect square by the prime factorization method. When a given number is a perfect square, we can find the square root of a perfect square by using the following steps. Step 1. Write the prime factors of the given number. Step 2. Make pairs of similar factors. Step 3. Multiply the factors selected. The product will be the square root of the number. Example 1. Find the square root of 784. That is the prime factors of 744 by prime factorization. 784, so we divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, we get 392. Again, dividing by 2, we get 196. We again divide by 2, we get 98. Again, dividing by 2, we get 49. Now, it is not an even number, so 49 is divisible by only 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So these are the factors, or we can say prime factors of the number 784. So we can write 784 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. We can express 784 as the product of pairs of equal number. Square root of 784 equals to each number from each pair, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. That is, we have taken each number from the pairs we have formed. So here 2 multiplied by 2, so we have taken 2, and from the next pair again 2, and from the next pair 7. So we get 28. So the square root of 784 is 28. So therefore the square root of 784 is 28 by prime factorization method. So this is how we find the factors, and then pairing the factors, and then forming the pairs of equal factors, and then we can find the square root, that is 28 in this case. Square root of a perfect square by the long division method. When the numbers are very large, even the method of finding square roots by prime factorization becomes lengthy and difficult. By method of long division, square roots can be easily determined, which is explained in the following steps. Long division method for finding square roots. Step 1. Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the digit at unit place. If the number of digits in the given number is odd, then the single digit which is left will also be under the bar. Step 2. Find the greatest number whose square is less than or equal to the number of the extreme left under the bar. Step 3. Subtract the product of the divisor and the quotient from the number at the extreme left under the bar to get the remainder. Step 4. Copy the other pair under the bar to the right of the remainder. This becomes the new dividend. Step 5. Double the quotient and write it on the right. Step 6. Guess the greatest possible digit to fill the blank. Step 5. In such a way that the product of the new divisor and the new quotient is equal to or just less than the new dividend. Step 7. Subtract to get the remainder. See that the remainder is 0 and no digit pair of given number under the bar is left. Continue this process till all the pairs are used.